Hey guys, welcome back to another episode today. I'm just gonna show you all of my amazing Legos that I built. First I'm going to be showing you the Legos that I've built without instructions. Now remember, I built these without instructions, okay? Wait, alright, here's one. So, yeah, here is the first one. You can see it goes like that, but then, yeah, it's like this. Here, let me give you a better view. So here it is. It's got the spears. Here's the top view. This is just like a little outpost. As you can see, there's the cannon right there. It shoots. And then there's the flag right there. And yep, there's that one. My second one is my village that I got set up. Alright guys, just give me a second. I'll place down my minifigures real quick. Alright. You guys, just give me a second. Alright, just give me a second real quick. Alright, there we go. Oops. Here's my village. So this village I created all by myself. Can't really see the inside, but if you look really close in there, you can see a table and some gold, and you can very slightly see a picture down in there of a Lego person. And then we got a knight right here, a woman that's scared. We got two dudes talking right there, another knight right there, the queen's right there, and then there's a blacksmith right there. Looks like he's walking to his workshop right there. And then there's, just don't mind that jail cell, sorry guys, but yeah, then right there, there's a horse right there, and then there's the horse flag sign thing, and there's one empty pen, but the other is full, as you can obviously see. And then there's this. This is a still inbuilt wagon. It's got that. This is the underside of it. And it can hold things in it. And it's got working wheels so it can move around, just like that. And then we're gonna be going on to my built Legos with instructions, alright? Now, you guys are probably wondering why wherever you look on this, there's Legos everywhere. Well, don't question that, because my room's a mess. So this is a Lego jet that I built, not my brother, sorry, I built. As you can, wait. Sorry, my hands are just like tangled up or something. Yeah, this is it. It opens up and then it closes just like that. And yeah. Then we're going to be moving on to something else, which is honestly my favorite. I literally have to show you guys this. This is so cool. There's this. Yep, that's right. I got a monster truck. I got that tank right there. Whatever that is. I got a car right here. Got a Star Wars vehicle, a prison, hospital, ambulance, and then I got the larger prison. Got some medieval houses right there. And I got that. Got Gotham City Outpost or something. Got Jungle Helipad. And then I got the what do you call it? Oh, the police helicopter, and then the medical emergencies helicopter right there. And then got a fire truck that's got no wheels on its front. Got another helicopter. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to stay tuned for some more episodes. And yeah, please subscribe. That makes my heart warm up. And yeah, thanks. Goodbye.